Hi everyone, out at the field today with my trusty modified RC Powers F18 version 3. This is the initial field test of a new battery that I picked up, the China HobbyWing 1500 milliamp 4S 100C. So let's give her a whirl. So I've already done a video, a table talk video, just sort of discussing this battery, you know, the day that I received it, comparing it to my other 4S batteries. Nice. Nothing like a little 4S power first thing in the morning. Get your blood going. So I'm going to keep this flight probably a little bit shorter, just, you know, because I'm not 100% sure of the actual capacity of the battery. I do have another 1500, the GNB 1500 4S, and that one's rated at 130C. So far so good. I'm not feeling any, you know, any sagging or anything like that. I charged it on its first charging cycle. I charged it at like half a C, so at 0.7 amps. Of course on balance, which is what I always charge my batteries on if I can. Yeah, that really cooks. This modified F18 has been such a pleasant surprise for how fast it is. Yeah, baby. All right. So there's our alarm. So that was about 2 minutes of flying. So I got my little battery checker here, so I'm just going to check it right away here after I get it out of the plane. Okay, it does feel a little tiny bit warm, but that could be from the residual heat from the speed controller. So let's see here. 376, 379, 376, 379. Yeah, okay, so that's, you know, that's right after flying. So that battery is, you know, it's going to recover back up. So I had my timer set for, on my transmitter, 2.5 minutes. So I start to get that countdown timer right at about, right at 2 minutes. So yeah, I mean, I probably could have pushed one more pass out of it. Sorry, I wasn't holding it up here, but yeah, actually that's yeah, not really any heat in it at all. Actually, I think that tiny bit of heat, you know, first actual cycle through it, flight through it. So anyway, so we're going to continue. I'm actually going to recharge it here at the field and give it another another pass, another rip, and see how we make out. And I will be doing another table talk video, you know, after I get probably 5 or 6 flights on it, just to kind of give you my my initial thoughts on how it performs at the field. So yeah, thanks very much for watching, folks. As always, thank you so much for your kind support to my channel. Much appreciated. Stay tuned. I've been at 1,000 subscribers now for a week or so. So stay tuned for an upcoming video that will be involving some plans giveaway as well. So blue skies, not that we have much here, but no wind and it's cool. Calm winds to everyone. Park jet noise. Yeah, the sound of freedom, baby. Take care.